Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious salmon dip. This recipe is incredibly easy and uses canned salmon, making it a convenient option for any occasion. You'll learn how to transform simple ingredients into a crowd-pleasing appetizer in just a few minutes. Whether you are hosting a gathering or simply craving a tasty snack, this dip is sure to impress with its rich flavor and creamy texture. Let's get started on this delightful culinary journey. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need one 15-ounce can of salmon, thoroughly drained and flaked. Next, ensure you have 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and about 1/4 cup of your favorite mayonnaise for that creamy base. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors, and 1 tablespoon of fresh dill for an aromatic touch. Finally, 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion adds a lovely, mild crunch. These simple items form the heart of our delicious dip. Now let's mix everything together. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your softened cream cheese and mayonnaise, beating them until the mixture is wonderfully smooth and creamy. Next, gently fold in the flaked salmon, fresh lemon juice, fragrant dill, and the finely chopped red onion. Season the dip with about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your taste. For best results, chill the dip for at least 30 minutes. This allows all the delicious flavors to truly meld. Once your salmon dip is perfectly chilled, it's ready to be enjoyed. Serve it alongside an assortment of your favorite crackers, toasted pita bread, or a colorful array of fresh vegetables like cucumber slices and bell pepper strips. For an appealing presentation, garnish the dip with a little extra fresh dill or a light sprinkle of paprika. If you enjoy a bit of heat, a dash of hot sauce can add a delightful kick. This delicious dip will stay fresh in your refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.